G'day folks, and welcome back to Mania 3D in the Diecast Workshop. Today we've got a little review today, and these are 1/6/4 scale models that we found, and we've got a couple of samples of them sent over. Now these are already these come in kit form. So let's get them out and have a look. I don't know what brand they are because they don't have a brand name. I know where you can get them. On the net, on eBay. Now these are absolutely awesome because it's going to get other people into doing these builds and all of that. So we've ordered this Nissan Skyline, another one here, Nissan GDR R35, and this one here is the 34, I think. Let's get it on there. Yeah, it is. It's the R34. There it is. And it comes in a beautiful little packet. It's got its little screwdriver. Let's pull him to bits and check it out. Alright, there's your build sheet. That's what you need to do to put it all together. And it's pretty easy to read and work with. That's wicked. Oh wow, this is going to get some more. And you've got another little card on the other side of it there telling you what it is. Alright, now it comes in kit form. So, let's have a look. Alright, there's the other screws. There's the screws for the base. There's the front axle with the tyres. There's the rear tyres. And as you can probably see, it's also on a little plinth. It also comes with a little screwdriver. These are absolutely a cracker. It's a double shield, so the model gets protected fairly well when it's in transit. No doubt it's screwed there. Yeah, I know, it's just got a little plastic clip. We'll work that out. But before we take it off there, let's have a good look at it. The tampos on it, or the decals there you would say, are absolutely magic. They're absolutely really good. I mean, seriously, this is it's also got the red lenses for the tail lights on the back. They're not just painted on, as you can see there. And the rear axle's already in, the front axle's out, and the tyres. It's also got the nice emblem in the front of the grille, and it's also got the little crystal headlights in it as well. It's got a beautiful race interior inside. The decals, I am absolutely blown away by the quality of this little car. It's an absolute beauty. So anyway, further ado, let's slide him off the card, off the plinth, and we'll get him off. Alright, so we've got him off the plinth. It only just clipped on. It's already screwed together still. So you get two screws, plus you get the little wee screwdriver with it. So you get everything with it to pull it apart and to build it and put it back together. Now this is going to really encourage other modelers and all of that sort of stuff to get into it. Look at the quality of the little mirrors and all on the side. See the little mirrors? I'm seriously telling you, this is absolutely blowing me away for what this little model is. So anyway, let's use the screwdriver it gives us, and let's just undo it and check it out a little bit more. These are absolutely magic. I can't believe the quality of them. I honestly can't. But that's absolutely brilliant because of the quality. It's fantastic. And to build up a little car like this is just magic. And get other modelers involved that don't normally do this sort of stuff. And of course, once you start doing things like this, it all leads to doing more. So I've got the two screws out. Let's pop the base off. Okay, it's even got one of those little friction engines where you roll it back and click it up and then let it go and it'll take off. It is actually a die cast body. It isn't plastic or anything. Let's have a look. Let's check him out. Beautiful screens inside, extremely well made. The posts are good and strong and they've got good treads in them. And the race interior, check it out. It is absolutely magic. Have a look at that. It's got everything inside that a proper race car would have inside. It's got the single seat. It's got all your controls and all that sort of stuff there. Wow. Absolutely blown away. Alright, so it just needs the tyres on the back. So we'll whack him back together. Like that. We'll get the axle. We'll get this little bag. Crack this little bag open. So we've opened it up. let's get the rubber tyres out. They look pretty cool. The rubber tyres in the front, and then also the front axle. That's all got to come out. Screws, well, we don't need the screws. The screws are already in it. So they're spare screws, which is cool. These obviously just drop the tyre now. That's all we need. But we'll be able to find it. We'll get him back directly. All that fits nice snug fit, beautiful. It's very cool. Get the other tyre on. They're slicks, so there's no tread on them. So they're slicks, and it is a race car. We'll see what happens when we pull out the stock one. The other Nissan Skyline R35, there is a standard street car. Wow, nice. I'm impressed so far. I'm extremely impressed by the quality of this little race car. Very, very. Now, if we notice this here, the seat can come out. You can take the seat out. You can take the seat out and detail it up. Fantastic. You don't get that with any other ones. We'll just see if this just pops out nice and easy. So your friction engine comes out quite easy as well. We'll just put the tyres on. Tyres on there. I probably should have put them in a bit of warm water first to soften them up. But as per usual, when something new comes in, or when I get into it. Yeah, look at that. What a cool little engine. Look at that. Goes a treat. Works a treat. Absolutely fantastic. We'll just put this other tyre on. Put him on. Wow. Quality of this little model is amazing. And like I say, I've never seen them in any of them before. That you can buy in a kit form until now. And it's fantastic. The tyres fit on there just a little bit tight, which is what you want them to be. And they fit on there nicely now. So we'll just put it back into the chassis plate. Here we go. Okay, so he's all together. We'll drop him back in there. So the rear end's all in together. We'll drop the front axle into there, like that. It's got the splitters on the front, on the back. It's got all your other little details, all your other little air scoops on the front. It is seriously an awesome little model. And being able to just pull it apart like that and build it together, it will get other modelers interested in doing them. It's so cool. I've never seen these before. That's why I had to get some. If you've seen them before, let me know, because they don't have a brand name on them. They've got no brand name. And that screws in beautifully. Yeah. Fantastic. I'm so happy with this little car. It is amazing. And like I was saying here, it'll get people into doing 164 modelling a lot more, because some people just don't like to drill them apart and do the paint work and all that sort of stuff. What a cracker of a car. A 164 in kit form, and it has everything there. Look at that, and I showed you before. Look at that. Works fantastic. Cool as. And look, and it's got a little plinth for it to clip back onto. That just pushes back in to the base, and then it locks into the tray, so you can leave it there like that. We've got 2 spare screws and with a screwdriver. And we'll pull this one to bits just to have a quick look at him. And he's the same deal. Card. You get a card there, and there's your build sheet. Fantastic. Absolutely awesome. And here we go. Here's the go again. Oh well, we've got extra screws in this one. And there's your tyres and your wheels, front axle, and then the little screwdriver again. Oh, so cool. It is very cool. I'm actually really liking it. Alright, so we'll get these out of the road. Don't need 2 screwdrivers. You can only do one end. And we'll have a look at this cracker of a model. That's the R35. Wow. It is a really nice model. Well detailed. Beautiful. Now this one's got the twin seats inside. I can see looking through the windscreens, and they're beautiful looking. They look like proper race seats in there. Absolutely fantastic. Nissan GT-R 35 2016. We can just pop that off, that one. That one's already a bit loose. Look at that. And it's screwed together as well, so you get more spare screws. So if you lose the screws, you're right, you can still screw it together. It is absolutely awesome. Wow. Well, we won't put that one together. You've seen us put this one together, and it's turned out absolutely gorgeous as. And these are just coming in a little kit form. Absolutely terrific. I will leave a link in the description where you can go and check them out yourself and have a look. We don't get paid anything for it. We don't have anything to do with them. But he is in China, I'm assuming, and he always answers you when you talk to him. And they turned up, and this one turned up when it was supposed to be this one. And what he did is he sent me another one out to replace it. How good's that? So I can't knock that or fault it at all. All right, so I'll leave a link in the description. Let me know in the comments what you think. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And these are all plastic lights. They're not painted on. Same as this one on here. All little crystal red lights. Crystal there. Fantastic. Alright guys. Take care. Look after each other. Stay safe. And we'll catch you again on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.